searching and getting thousands of results, but not the information you want? Search the internet by using advanced techniques to get the information you want faster than the usual. Or find and replace a word in a document with ease. How? I'll be showing you some guidelines on searching information in the best manner with the least waste of time and effort. In short, efficiently. First, using phrases as a keyword. It is better to use phrases than a single word as a keyword. Why? Because when you use phrases as a keyword, it will give you specific results. But using phrases can also narrow your search on information. For example, we want to search on the information on the use of dogs in military operations. Instead of using dogs used in military operations as a keyword, you may use the phrase wild dogs. But what if in some articles on military operations might not use the phrase wild dogs? Solution to that is to make several searches using different phrases such as combat dogs or dogs in battle. Next. The use of advanced techniques. For example, if you search on the web for Madagascar, the country, you will get thousands of irrelevant pages about the movie titled Madagascar. To exclude unwanted pages about the movie titled Madagascar, just put a minus sign. So it will become Madagascar minus the movie. So it will exclude all the informations about the movie titled Madagascar. Next is the find feature. Do you know what the find feature is? Find feature is also called as the Ctrl plus F function. It is used to find and replace a word in a document. Or you can use this to search a specific word on a web. And so the next time you're going to search for information, don't forget to use phrases to narrow the search of information. Use advanced techniques, especially the minus sign, to exclude unwanted pages, and the find feature to easily find the word that you are looking for. And these guidelines will surely help us for searching easier and more efficient for relevant fields. Thank you.